Hi kids. So you say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter.
Right, so you've got your giant Kinder Egg mini surprise egg.
Also says Kinder Egg.
Do you like it, Lee?
And a little
Lee, do you like it?
stand there.
Do you like it, Lee? Whose egg's that? Is that your egg? Would you going to eat it all? Is it nice? Well, look, this is before you opened it. This is how it looks. Whoa, that's very big.
For the boys, it's Ninja Turtles.
Yeah. Ninja Turtles? Where did you get Ninja Turtles from?
Aye, the boys' ones are
Ninja Turtles.
Ninja Turtles, then there's the girl ones. Barbie.
Oh, the different ones?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, I see. That's the Barbie one.
And
Lee just opened up this one. Look, Lee.
the Ninja Turtles.
Oh, Teenage Mutant Ninja. Giant toy inside. Are you looking forward to opening it, Lee?
Like, so you take that bit off, and then you need to take that clear bit
Do you
off.
know how to open it? Do you want Mummy to help you to open it?
Yeah.
And then you show it to the camera?
But,
Yeah.
but after, you need to do that clear bit.
Right.
Then
Right, okay, did you just open it? Let's show us it. Show Lee it. Let Lee open it. Lee.
I cracked it.
Wow.
I did not expect it.
Let Lee open it. Let Lee open it. That's a big egg. That's a lot of.
That's ginormous.
That's a lot of chocolate there. Oh my god. And Lee, can you open
Oh
that?
my.
Whoa.
No, I can't.
Try it.
Let me try.
Try it, Lee.
Oh my god.
Right. Right. Let Mum open it and then
We got
hand
some
it to. Lee, did you go out for lunch earlier?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you enjoy it? Yeah. Mummy will give you it and then you can show the camera, yeah? Okay, let's see. Lee, show us it. Take it out and show us what.
She has the red turtle.
Right.
Jan!
Jen, let him do it. Jan, you open your side. Right, Lee, show us it. Right, show us it.
That's basically the
Oh.
head and part of the body.
That's the top part of the body.
And then went out.
Okay.
Can we tell? You just dump it all out. Dump it all out.
Oh, that's the bottom part of the toy, yeah?
Bottom
And then
shell.
what else are they?
That's the shell.
That's the shell.
part of the shell.
Okay.
Yeah, that one.
Lee, do you know how to put it all
And
together?
that basically has legs. No, we don't know even know.
Do you know how to put it together?
No, we don't know.
Right,
Do you need Mummy to put it together and give you it back, Lee?
Basically.
Right, give it to Mummy. Take it.
That was so hard to
Right,
do.
give it to Mummy, please. Give the rest of it to Mummy.
So you need to wait 2 minutes, yeah? Right, Lee. Lee.
We got the red turtle.
So this is
That's how you-
Easter Sunday, yeah?
That's how you.
Do you like the turtle? Are you going to eat all the eggs? Lee, are you going to eat all of it? Look, that's the turtle.
Let it go.
Okay,
That's Raphael.
it's Raphael. Is it good?
You can pull his arm back. Pull his arm back and see what happens.
We don't need to help you pull its arm back. We don't need to help. It's gone. Now you do. We can pull the arm back. No.
Right. Is it good?
No.
See it, Jen?
It's and there's also like a wee bit there.
Maybe it's a little extra. Maybe Mummy can show you how it's done. Oh, Jen shows you how to do that.
So you'll need to try and do this like hard way at your head.
Whoa!
Dad!
That flew over.
That's not nice.
So what is this that flew over?
It's supposed to be like a lip of a bin.
Is it?
Like a sewer grate.
When you use it as a weapon
Aye.
and he throws it right across the table.
We put our arm back. Go.
Woo!
Oh my god, you can make a dance with it.
Is that fun, Lee? Do you like it?
If I wet this off. And then you're supposed to do it then. Yeah! Wait, let's do that again and I get ready for you, okay?
So that's the Kinder Maxi Surprise Easter egg.
I'll help you, okay?
And May is sleeping just now. She'll be getting this Maxi Surprise Barbie giant toy inside.
Okay guys, you need to try real hard at this. I'm gonna pull back. Go pull back. Then let go. Then you just do like so. But I'll show you how you're actually supposed to do it. So you're supposed to get its arm. All you do, pull it back, then wait for a moment, then it's supposed to fling out.
Oh,
But then you fling out. And eat it.
you eat it? No, that's too much for you. Can you eat it all, Lee? Are you going to share it with Jen and May?
Yeah, we all share. We all share. We all
Yeah.
share.
Jen, are you going to open yours soon? Yeah? You're looking forward to it, yeah? You're eating it? Is that tasty?
Oh, some moments.
Is that for Mimi? How about, do Lodal get a bit as well? No? No, just for you and Mimi
Yeah,
and
you
me,
get
Jen?
that big fish. You get
That's
this.
a big egg. Yeah.